Hello friends, welcome to the third step of Step by Step Spanish, and today we are going to talk about noun, which is called sustantivo or nombre in Spanish. But let us quickly revise that noun is the name of any person, place or a thing. You must be wondering, why do I need to learn about sustantivo? Why can't I make sentences? You can make sentences without a noun or sustantivo, but the sentences will only have small verbs like I eat, I play, I go, I come. If you want to make complete sentences like I go to a school, so you need to learn about noun. Spanish noun or sustantivo in Spanish have both number and gender, which means a noun can be singular or plural, or a noun can be masculine or feminine. It might sound different because in English, the non-living nouns do not have a gender, but in Spanish they do. Today, we are just going to focus on the number of the nouns. So, how do we make the noun singular to plural or plural to singular? So, noun in Spanish is called sustantivo o nombre. So, sustantivo tiene género, a gender, o número, which is a number. Can be singular, or número can also be plural. Let us learn the rule. How do we change a singular noun to a plural noun or a plural noun to a singular noun? Now we have reached a stage where you might want to explore the language on your own. There might be a lot of words in English or in Spanish whose equivalent you would want to know. So I have put in the description of a trusted online dictionary. Any word that you want to know in English or Spanish, you can check from there. Before we start, any word in Spanish is called a palabra. So coming back to the singular and plural noun. So if a palabra termina en vocal, that means if a vowel ends in a vocal, to make it plural, we just add S. So it is chico. To make it plural, it becomes chicos. Chico is a boy. Coche, which is a car. To make it plural, because it ends in a vowel, a vocal, to make it plural, we use coches. Casa, which is house. We did that in the last video too. So casa, to make it plural, we add S and becomes casas. So if a palabra ends in a consonante, to make it plural, we add ES. So pared, which is wall, to make it plural, we make paredes. Ventilador, which is a fan, to make it plural, we add ES and it becomes ventiladores. But if a palabra ends in zeta, to make it plural, we remove zeta and we add CES and we get the plural. For example, luz is light. To make it plural, we remove zeta and we add CES. Similarly, pez, which is fish, to make it plural, remove zeta and we add CES. I hope you have learned these rules easily. I hope now you are ready for your task and you can confidently and easily make singular to plural and plural to singular. The task of the previous video, the text which was given to you is actually a song by a very famous singer called Enrique Iglesias. If you type that on YouTube, you will be able to find a link with the song and I hope you will be able to sing it along. I'm sure you had a great time learning Spanish. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and I will see you all again soon. Adios.